Welcome guys to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and I am really excited to put out this video because it's been a while, honestly, that I have done a video for LeasedAdSpace. So if you guys are interested in LeasedAdSpace or want to know a little bit more how I use this traffic source in order for me to firstly generate leads in my system, and it is an awesome source to have. So there are updates, there are some things that are coming out in the system which I want to show you guys, but in the meantime, let me just let you know that if you like the content that you get on this video, if you're interested in cryptocurrency, if you're interested in how to trade cryptocurrencies, or even marketing in general, the plan is here. What I like to call is this channel is dedicated to the pro system and the day-to-day activities that I have with regards to the pro system. So everything that you see on this channel, whether it's tutorials on YouTube, whether it is marketing, whether it is cryptocurrency, all is part of one big system that is allowing me to pave the way for my dreams to come true, and that is the pro system. Guys, you'll find a link in the description below. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoy the content that I'm putting out for you, okay? So let's go to LeasedAdSpace. For most of the people, you might ask yourself, what is LeasedAdSpace and what it can do for you? So let me just go quickly to the how it works section so that you see exactly what LeasedAdSpace is. I'm gonna go through specific things within the system itself. Now, LeasedAdSpace, firstly, you can earn instant Bitcoin payments right now. Okay, before there were instant 100% commissions, and it's still 100% commissions, but you can get in Bitcoin. Okay, if you don't know what Bitcoin is, how to get Bitcoin, how to pay with Bitcoin, all these kind of things, don't worry. Okay, it is very, very clear in the members area of LeasedAdSpace, sorry, that you can get the information for you, exactly how to fund your account, how to send, everything. Now, LeasedAdSpace is a traffic, let's say, safe list, okay? So what it means is they are allowing you to lease space on their platform. Okay, so imagine if you go to I don't know, maybe exhibitions, okay, an exhibition, and you need to put up a stand there. You're leasing space from the people who are organizing the event, right? So you're paying the person a certain amount of money to get a stand there. They have a stand there, okay? You get a stand there, and people are passing by, you're communicating with them. Maybe you get a client, maybe you don't. What is it beneficial for the person who's leasing you the space, right? They're allowing you to advertise. They're giving you a platform. LeasedAdSpace is exactly that, okay? From the first package, which is just $7, so that's all you need if you want to get started and do it once every 28 days, you just need $7. In total, if you need everything, you can go up to $500. Basically, it's an addition of all these packages together. But let's just talk about the Pro package, okay? Per package, $7. 8,000 banner ads impressions. Okay, now what are banner ads? What you see right here, this is a text banner ad, but you'll see many other banner ads on the website right here. There are banner ads. As you see, this is a public page. People can come here and check, and they're like, oh, there's a banner, let me click on that. And then you have more here. These are all member banner ads, guys. Okay, it's not something else. Now, that's banner ads. Then you have text ads. As I showed you here, this is one of the text ads. If you click, for example, it goes to a system to show you, for example, how to get this done. Okay, that is one of the ways that you can generate, and it's a click. Okay, so I just gave an impression to the guy, whoever was showing me the text ad. And then you have solo emails. This is the powerful thing, to go for one every 28 days and a free post per day in our ad board directory. Okay, that is very, very nice. Okay, let's be very happy with these kind of things that you see right here. Okay, which means now that you have space basically to advertise. This is giving you an advertising package. Just for $7, you're getting all of this. Okay, plus if you get somebody into the business and they pay $7, you get 100% of the $7. So you're not even, the business is not even getting anything. I'm going, for example, if you join me, you pay me directly $7, and I pay the person who I came under $7. The company doesn't get anything. It's a straight peer-to-peer commission-based software. That's why we have Bitcoin involved as well. Okay, then you have the second package, which is also cool, once every 14 days, and I'm on the Emerald package, which is once every 9 days, guys. Okay, that's where I am. and I get 3 free posts per day on the ad board directory, which is very cool. And every 9 days I can send a solo ad email. Now these solo ad emails that I can send, okay, will be to the whole user base of LeasedAdSpace. This is why it's called a safe list, okay, because they are sending traffic, outside traffic, to LeasedAdSpace, right? And then from there you can generate sales and leads to your own businesses. So they are sending to increase their user base, plus you get to tap into a user base that is much larger than your own. So if you're starting out and you don't know where to go, this is a good traffic source to buy. Now, it also, in my opinion, is a good testing place. It allows you to test your skills as a copywriter, as a marketer, everything. And in fact, today I'm going to show you very specifically how to do that with sending a solo ad. So we're going to send a solo ad today, but there's another thing that's really cool, which they have right here, which is the personal blog. So the personal blog, and I clicked on it, so I want to show you guys. Okay, you can see views here. Okay, views. I can be posting every single day. I haven't, but I can. Okay, and I can get people to view my my blog, which is any which ways on SEO in terms of Google. So it shows up in Google, and people will come, click on it, and if they go to my blog and they see the link, if I have a link to my landing page or whatever it is, that it takes to the place that I want them to advertise. So LeasedAdSpace is a cheeky little tool. It's very valuable, honestly, in my opinion. And even if it's just for $7, all these payments are just one-time payments, okay? You're not paying monthly fees or anything. So you buy once and you can send one solo ad every 28 days for the rest of your life. Would you like that? Is my question. Okay, so let's go ahead and send a solo ad right now. So you click on members area. I'm gonna go and click on submit send solo ad. I have already written out a solo ad. Sorry about that, guys. I already have written out a solo ad somewhere. Just give me a second. That's it, right here. Okay, I have written out a solo ad for myself, and I will paste that here. The first. Let's go up. Oh, I copied only half, maybe. Yeah, that's right. I copied half. So once again, select all and paste. Is it me, or maybe I cannot see? Strange, right? So let's do this simply. Firstly, I want to put my link here. So I'm gonna cut that, paste that. Now let's put my title. Title would be the one that I put right here. Okay. Come here. Title is it. And then I wrote this simple email that I have is really, really simple, guys. No jokes. To the extent that, as you can see right here, I just need to make some spaces here, and that should be it. Make this bold and scroll down, and then go cheers here and David Pinto so that people see. This is so simple. So I'm promoting my own system, right? The pro system that I use. So I go and talk to LeasedAdSpace members. Hi, I know that you're getting a lot of GDPR emails, which is what it is happening in Europe right now. And then I talk about my pro system and tell them where they can find it. Click the link below. And then I say this system is just used to build anything online, which is true. You can use it for affiliate marketing, you can use it for network marketing, anything, as long as you follow the strategy on a day-to-day basis. Okay? And then they can click the link below. Voila. It's that simple, guys. It's that simple. Click on send. And I have just sent. Maybe I made a mistake because there was an error. So let's go back. Let's go back. Let's check everything here. I have everything set up. Click the link below. Link is fine. Click send. Oh, so maybe I double clicked on something. So let's just go into my dashboard and check actually whether we got to send the. I did send it. Okay, that's right. So that's cool. I have sent it to. So you can see this is the email that I sent to everyone on LeasedAdSpace, And if you go ahead and check right here, the last email that I sent, there were 4,000 people. So I don't know exactly how many people I've sent it to, but definitely I would be sending it to quite a few people just to see how they are. So this is now based on my email ad, and how I can do this. If I do it every single 10 days that I send out, it's consistency that has the key for me to make the change. Okay, hope you guys got value from this video. LeasedAdSpace, a lovely cheeky traffic source that I have, and if you want it, you can get it in the link in the description below. If not, have a nice day, have a nice weekend, and I'm going to see you on the next video.